What's up, guys? I got a 3-box break recap of some 2010 Topps Chrome baseball. It was a pretty horrible break, in my opinion. I didn't even pull what I wanted, and I was just at least a Strasburg base card. So I failed in my quest on that. This box, we had 2 autos, Wade Davis, John Link. Here's some refractors and some hits with Jason Heyward, rookie. Topps National Sickle, Michael Young, numbered to 499. Phil Hughes, National Sickle, numbered to 999. Derek Jeter refractor. Cliff Lee, blue refractor, numbered to 199. Roy Oswalt, Heritage Chrome, number 2, 1961. Hunter Pence refractor, Brian Roberts refractor. That was all the refractors and hits out of that box. All the rest were base. This is the other box. These are the hits and the refractors. Another Jason Heyward rookie, Bobby Abreu, Topps Chrome Heritage, numbered to 1961. Mickey Mantle base. That's just a regular base. Thought that was a good pull. Mike McCoy auto, Scott Sizemore auto. Topps National Sickle, Adrian Gonzalez, numbered to 999. Troy Tulowitzki, Topps 206 Chrome, numbered to 499. Alexi Ramirez refractor, Gavin Floyd refractor, Tyler Colvin refractor, Kevin Russo refractor, Brandon Webb refractor. This is the first box I opened earlier. It only had 1 auto in it. That was the Daniel McCutchen. Derek Lee Gold, numbered to 50, 8 of 50. Tommy Hanson National Sickle, numbered to 499. Jason Heyward rookie, Albert Pujols refractor, Jorge Posada, Topps 206 Chrome, numbered to 999. Jose Reyes Heritage Chrome, numbered to 1961. Drew Bucciera refractor, Eric Aybar refractor, Adam Wainwright refractor, Daniel Murphy refractor. All in all, it was a pretty sad break. I've had better breaks. I was at least looking to pull a Strasburg base, at least one, but didn't. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and peace out.